Hi, if you're looking for a tool that can get you an actionable free SEO audit in less than 37 seconds, then we have that one exactly here in Serpstat.com. So all you need to do is to just head on over to Serpstat.com and then you'd see this offer right here. As soon as you open that site or our site, and then you only need to fill in this information needed and then click on the get your free audit button so that you can get started. Also, there's a free guide that can show you how Surface is generating agencies an additional $3,437 per month on autopilot. So all you need to give here or provide is your first name and email address, and then if you also want to subscribe to our Surface mailing list, then definitely do so. And then click on this Find Now How button on the bottom part of that offer. So that's it. We just want to give you a quick information about the offers that we have here in Surface so that you can take advantage of them as we have prepared them specially for you. So here we will be going and discussing about this tool. It says here it's new. So it's a new tool that Serpstat has developed. It's called Local SEO. And the thing about this one is that we like the previous tools, we are also not able to fully access this one. As you can see on the bottom part of this paragraph, to access the tool, click the button below and the manager will provide more details about the tool and its price. So this is one of the add-ons, if we can call it that, add-ons, when even though you already have an account and subscription with a certain tool, there are still in in-app purchases that you need to purchase before you can actually utilize everything in that specific app. So this is one of those great example of that. But yeah, generally, local SEO, it will deal with managing the business presence and reputation in Google Business Profile, Yelp, and all other local directories so that you can create, update, and sync across dozens of different local providers the information about your business, such as name, address, phone, etc. So that is what the local SEO tool is all about. So as you can see here, they also provided a screenshot of what the tool would look like if we have an access to it. So there's a specific dashboard rather. Sorry about that. There's a specific dashboard that is intended for that tool. You can see here profile completeness, listings, duplicate overview, so different metrics that correspond or are relevant to that specific topic. And then here you can see that there are filters for the online listings, average rating, reviews, reply rate. So basically everything that has to do with managing your online listings that would help you also grow your business, especially locally. So that's it for local SEO. That is what it's intended for. And if you want to purchase this app, all you need to do is to just head on over to serpstat.com. Of course, create an account and subscribe to a specific subscription that they have, and also purchase this in app so that you can fully utilize this tool. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching and see you on the next one.